Alright guys, check this one out. This is a single cap tooth, 10K, solid gold. Now this is also available in 14K, solid gold. It's a two-tone finish. You see the gold border around the silver diamond dust finish. Okay. Now it's available for any tooth. You get to choose the tooth you want. On our website, blingcartel.com, you get free shipping in the US. You also get a free mold kit. Quality handmade work. Beautiful grills. This is real gold, guys. 10K or 14K, your choice. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good one.